Hey guys, welcome back. It's Miss Harkins. I missed y'all. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. And I know you wanted to spend your advisory time doing math. Y'all are so awesome. And I can't wait to do some more. Okay, so we're still talking about slope and y-intercept, but we're going to be putting it actually in our equation. Y equals mx plus b. Remember, y equals mx plus describes our linear relationships. Let's go ahead and get started. Remember, screen is wonky. We're doing the best we can, okay? There we go. Okay, so it says look at the set of ordered pairs. Remember, ordered pairs, x and y, okay? Which of the following shows the correct equation? Remember, y equals mx plus b. For the function represented by the ordered pairs. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a table for that ordered pairs. We have negative 8, 3, negative 6, 2, negative 4, 1, negative 2, 0. Okay. Now, normally we would look to see what kind of information that we have that we can either make a slope or a y-intercept. I know that normally y-intercept is 0 and whatever my number is, whatever my x value is. So if I look here, do I have any numbers that have 0 under my x? No, but look, it says negative 2, 0. This is not my y-intercept. They try to trick you. They even said that was j. This is not my y-intercept. This is not my starting point. If I was to put this on a graph, my point would be here on my x-axis, not on my y-axis. Okay. So let's go ahead and find our slope. Remember, slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we can do 3 minus 2 over negative 8 minus negative 6. It does not matter which one you use as your x2 or your y2 or whatever. Okay, as long as you put it in the right spots. So if I put it in my calculator, 3 minus 2 I know is 1. And then negative 8 minus negative 6 is a negative 2. So we know that my slope has to be negative 1/2. So let's look at my answer choices. We know it cannot be h because that's negative 1/4. We know it can't be g because that's saying negative 2. We want negative 1/2. This one's still kind of trying to trick us. It says negative 0.5. Remember, negative 0.5 is the same thing as negative 1/2. It doesn't matter if we use fractions or decimals. My answer here is F. Okay, we're going to do one more. It says, look at the table. Ooh, they labeled our x and y for us. Nice. Which equation best represents the data? Remember, my equation is y equals mx plus b. All right. Normally, I would try to get my y-intercept based on the information in my table. I don't have any zeros as my x, so I don't have a starting point here. So I can't start with my b. Let's go ahead and start with my slope. Turn and talk to your partner. What is my formula for slope? Go. Okay, go ahead and tell me what's my formula. Nice. So we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, I personally like to use positives, so I'm going to use these two right here. I didn't use these because I don't want to use negatives. Or that's just a personal, my opinion. Okay, so I'm going to do 6. Ooh, I wanted to do 6 minus 3 first, but remember, those are my x values. So that would be 22 minus 13 over 6 minus 3. 22 minus 13. I don't know that on top of my head. Some of your teachers do, though. That's 9. Okay, 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 divided by 3 gets me 3. So I know my slope has to be 3. Look at your answer choices. The only one that has slope as 3 is J, but we could go ahead and check our answers. What if I plugged it in? Or, I'm sorry, substitute. So what if I did 3 times 3 plus 4 to check our answers? Remember, I have to get the answer 13. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Yep, that works. So my answer is J. Okay, right now you're going to go ahead and do, it's either a Quizzes or a Kahoot, one of those two. But anyway, you're going to be practicing. You should be practicing on the screen to paper. Okay, have a wonderful, rantastic day, and I will see y'all tomorrow.